Hello and welcome to Travel English Shadowing Practice. I'm your guide today, and I'm here to help you speak English confidently when you travel. In this 1-hour session, we will practice real English for real travel situations. We will visit the airport, the hotel, restaurants, tourist places, and more. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can repeat after me. This is called shadowing. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally and more fluently. Are you ready? Let's begin our journey together. Part 1. At the airport. Check-in. Arriving at the airport. Today, I am going on a trip. Now you repeat. Today, I am going on a trip. I am very excited. Now you repeat. I am very excited. I arrive at the airport. Now you repeat. I arrive at the airport. I arrive 2 hours before my flight. Now you repeat. I arrive 2 hours before my flight. This is early enough. Now you repeat. This is early enough. The airport is very big. Now you repeat. The airport is very big. The airport is busy today. Now you repeat. The airport is busy today. There are many people here. Now you repeat. There are many people here. Some people are carrying suitcases. Now you repeat. Some people are carrying suitcases. Some people are pulling rolling bags. Now you repeat. Some people are pulling rolling bags. I have my passport in my hand. Now you repeat. I have my passport in my hand. I have my ticket on my phone. Now you repeat. I have my ticket on my phone. I look for the check-in counter. Now you repeat. I look for the check-in counter. I look for the check-in counter. I look up at the signs. Now you repeat. I look up at the signs. The signs show different airlines. Now you repeat. The signs show different airlines. I see many people waiting in line. Now you repeat. I see many people waiting in line. I check the departure board. Now you repeat. I check the departure board. The departure board shows all the flights. Now you repeat. The departure board shows all the flights. I find my flight on the board. Now you repeat. I find my flight on the board. My flight is on time. Now you repeat. My flight is on time. I feel relieved. Now you repeat. I feel relieved. I find my airline counter. Now you repeat. I find my airline counter. The counter is over there. Now you repeat. The counter is over there. I walk to the counter. Now you repeat. I walk to the counter. I joined the queue. Now you repeat. I joined the queue. The line is quite long. Now you repeat. The line is quite long. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. I wait patiently. Now you repeat. I wait patiently. The line is moving slowly. Now you repeat. The line is moving slowly. Finally, it is my turn. Now you repeat. Finally, it is my turn. I walk up to the desk. Now you repeat. I walk up to the desk. At the check-in counter. The agent smiles at me. Now you repeat. The agent smiles at me. Good morning. I have a flight to London today. Now you repeat. Good morning. I have a flight to London today. The agent says good morning back to me. Now you repeat. The agent says good morning back to me. Here is my passport and my ticket. Now you repeat. Here is my passport and my ticket. I hand my passport to the agent. Now you repeat. I hand my passport to the agent. The agent looks at my passport. Now you repeat. The agent looks at my passport. The agent checks my information. Now you repeat. The agent checks my information. I booked my ticket online. Now you repeat. I booked my ticket online. I booked it last week. I booked it last week. My flight number is BA205. Now you repeat. My flight number is BA205. The agent types on the computer. Now you repeat. The agent types on the computer. The agent asks me a question. Now you repeat. The agent asks me a question. Could you give me a window seat, please? Now you repeat. Could you give me a window seat, please? I like looking out the window. Now you repeat. I like looking out the window. I prefer to sit near the front. Now you repeat. I prefer to sit near the front. The front is quieter. Now you repeat. The front is quieter. Let me check what is available. Now you repeat. Let me check what is available. The agent looks at the seating chart. Now you repeat. The agent looks at the seating chart. Yes, I have a window seat for you. Now you repeat. Yes, I have a window seat for you. How many bags can I check in? You can check one bag for free. Now you repeat. You can check one bag for free. I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag. Now you repeat. I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag. I will check my suitcase. Now you repeat. I will check my suitcase. I will keep my carry-on with me. Now you repeat. I will keep my carry-on with me. Please put your suitcase on the scale. Now you repeat. Please put your suitcase on the scale. I lift my suitcase. Now you repeat. I lift my suitcase. I put it on the belt. Now you repeat. I put it on the belt. Is my suitcase over the weight limit? Now you repeat. Is my suitcase over the weight limit? The agent checks the weight. Now you repeat. The agent checks the weight. No, it's fine. It's 20 kilograms. Now you repeat. No, it's fine. It's 20 kilograms. The limit is 23 kilograms. Now you repeat. The limit is 23 kilograms. You are under the limit. Now you repeat. You are under the limit. That is good news. Now you repeat. That is good news. I am happy about that. Now you repeat. I am happy about that. Asking questions at check-in. Now I have some questions. Now you repeat. Now I have some questions. What time is boarding? Now you repeat. What time is boarding? The agent looks at the screen. Now you repeat. The agent looks at the screen. Boarding starts at 10:30. Now you repeat. Boarding starts at 10:30. That is in 1 hour. Now you repeat. That is in 1 hour. Which gate should I go to? Now you repeat. Which gate should I go to? This is important to know. Now you repeat. This is important to know. You should go to gate 15. Now you repeat. You should go to gate 15. Gate 15 is in Terminal B. Now you repeat. Gate 15 is in Terminal B. Is the flight on time? Now you repeat. Is the flight on time? I want to make sure. Now you repeat. I want to make sure. Yes, the flight is on time. Now you repeat. Yes, the flight is on time. There are no delays. Now you repeat. There are no delays. How long is the flight? Now you repeat. How long is the flight? I want to know the flight time. Now you repeat. A flight is about 8 hours. Now you repeat. It is a long flight. Now you repeat. Do I need to change planes? Now you repeat. No, this is a direct flight. Now you repeat. You will fly straight to London. Now you repeat. That is very convenient. Now you repeat. I prefer direct flights. Receiving your boarding pass. The agent prints my boarding pass. Now you repeat. The agent prints my boarding pass. I can hear the printer. Now you repeat. Here is your boarding pass.
The agent hands it to me. Now you repeat. Please keep this with you.
You will need it at the gate. Now you repeat. You will need it at the gate. Your seat number is 24A. Now you repeat. Your seat number is 24A. That is a window seat. Now you repeat. That is a window seat. Row 24, seat A. Now you repeat. Row 24, seat A. I look at my boarding pass. Now you repeat. I look at my boarding pass. I check all the information. Now you repeat. I check all the information. Everything looks correct. Now you repeat. Everything looks correct. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Now you repeat. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Have a good flight. Now you repeat. You're welcome. Have a good flight. Enjoy your trip. Now you repeat. Enjoy your trip. I smile and say thank you again. Now you repeat. I smile and say thank you again. I take my boarding pass. Now you repeat. I take my boarding pass. I put it in my pocket. Now you repeat. I put it in my pocket. Now I walk away from the counter. Now you repeat. Now I walk away from the counter. I head toward security. Now you repeat. I head toward security. I am ready for the next step. Now you repeat. I am ready for the next step.